In this video, I'll show you how to add a Visa gift card to Cash App and add funds from a Visa gift card to Cash App. This process is simple, and I'll walk you through each step so you can follow along directly on your phone. By the way, if you run a business, Cash App probably isn't the best option for you, but I'll explain more about that later in the video. First, open the Cash App mobile application. Once the app loads, you'll land on the home screen, where you can see your balance and different navigation options. From this screen, tap on the bank or balance icon located on the left side of the bottom menu. This will take you to the Money section, where all balance and funding options are located. Next, look for the option that says Add Money and tap on it. A menu will appear from the bottom of the screen, showing several preset amounts you can choose from. If one of these amounts works for you, select it. If you want to add a different amount, tap the three dots and enter a custom amount manually. After entering the amount you want to add to Cash App, continue to the next step. Now you'll be taken to the debit card details screen. This is where you need to enter your Visa gift card information. Carefully type in the Visa gift card number, the expiration date shown on the card, and the zip code associated with the card. Make sure all the information is correct and matches the details linked to the gift card. Otherwise, it may not work. Once everything is entered, submit the details to nick the card. If the Visa gift card is supported, the funds will be added to your Cash App balance and you'll be able to use the money for payments, transfers, or other transactions within Cash App. Cash App is decent, but personally, I prefer MoneyGram for day-to-day money transfers, especially if you live in the US or Canada. If you're worried about online fraud, they even have physical locations near you where you can make transfers in person. There's a link in the description below to create a free account. But if you run a business or plan to start one, Airwallex is a much better option. You can send and receive money from all over the world, in many different currencies. It's a complete business banking account that goes way beyond what Cash App offers. There should be a video popping up on your screen now. It's a detailed Airwallex review covering everything you need to know. Click the video to start watching.